JSP trying to kill me, man. See that smoke picture? That two-stroke smoke, man, that shit can't be good for my health. That nigga trying to smoke me out. Hell, man, I gotta get out of there. This shit harmful. This shit gotta be canceled. I'm getting something on it. I gotta get something on it. That's how this shit boils down to. I think you're gonna fool with this shit like that. It's a bad damage. Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Yes, so this is the downside about having a Banshee. They just require a lot of maintenance. And for some odd reason, I put the plugs in there and I put fresh gas in there. The two things that I knew I should do. But I was sitting back and I was kicking. And it wasn't going to start. So that's when I knew it was going to be time for me to go ahead and make adjustments with the professional. So I called him my boy, JSP, to figure out what was wrong with the Banshee, as always. Colonel Sanders. Getting these parts, my tripod, and to remove the AC box on this thing. But gotta fix those little problems. Get that blend door and everything working. I may need to come back for that. But let's see what Jay's talking about. And I'm giving these parts as well. Man.
Lays down the fucked up the quad. Sunday, boy.
Hey, it's far as hell, ain't it? I know you was riding behind me like, man, did he take the wrong turn somewhere?
You know what I'm saying? Is he lost?
Man. And it was black as hell. You couldn't see nothing. It's just like, the streets just like, oh. I was creeping through there.
You want to close those doors?
Man, let's close the doors, man. It's getting too cold. I just got the tools over there because I swapped out the plugs. I shot a whole YouTube.
Where's the old ones at?
I got one. That's one of them. Yeah, this one of them right here. Let me let this down.
Where the tools at? Just need a screwdriver. That shit gonna be good.
I'm trying to put it on the damn tripod, man. Nigga, where your camera folks at when you need them? So you think that spark plug don't look too bad? Man, you gotta teach me how to start it up. You gotta teach me how to start it up.
No, it's cold outside too. Where's the tools at?
I gotta get them, bro. Here go the package. Here go the part.
Should be flipping here. That's it. Put that together and should be on this way.
That's my trash can. Whole man trash can. So I put the plugs on there. I don't know what happened, but it did not fire up. I was kicking. I tried to make a whole YouTube video, and I didn't prevail. And I tried to do everything I could to make this happen, but let me run out here. He said he need a screwdriver. I'm finna go grab him a screwdriver. Just open up, get the toolbox. What kind of screwdriver you need? Flathead? What did I do wrong this time? That's the question. What did I turn up and mess up this time? Oh man, you gonna be having your ass out on my camera like that, bro. I was like, I'm just letting you know, you ain't gonna be looking at your best, the best, you know what I mean? All right, let's see what we got, man.
What's the screwdriver, ladies?
Got it right here. And they bought her crescent wrench in case you want to see, because I think you got the plug.
No, you don't have to. I need a skinnier screwdriver, bro.
Me and my boy, man, Cozy, he had another event today. He's 3 to 9. I wasn't able to make it, man. I spent time with family, man. shit, you finna be gone for a whole month. I'm sitting there like, damn, I don't think I've been enjoying this bitch enough.
It's gonna be cold outside, so ain't nobody free.
Man, say my partner talking about he got his dirt bike out right now. What's happening? Man, I'm ready to get rid of that boost bottle, man.
Yeah.
So what could I have done to made it run? Cause I'm talking about I done kicked the hell out this thing. Just wow, cut it on and off.
Probably if you're kicking it, it's just probably the jetting or I don't know, maybe something came unplugged, maybe, but I don't know. Everything looks pretty good. That's for right now.
Boy, that boy JSP came on a Sunday. I know this fee gonna be up there, boy.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Yes, sir.
Let me go ahead and just have Thanksgiving. When I get back, give you my monthly's earning for next month. But yeah, man, when you ask me about how much the rent is here, it's a real reasonable price though, man. I'll tell you when we ain't on here. Cause she got some other spaces, I believe.
Yeah.
I like her because the landlord, she's a private owner. She cool. You know what I mean?
We put some new gas on it.
Yeah. I put a whole bunch of new gas in it. Damn, man. I ain't even enjoying this motherfucker, man. See that? It's a stain. Let me see, man. Show us what's wrong with it, man. I don't need to show him. I don't need to show him. Yeah, show 'em what's
The
wrong
camera
with
ready.
it, man.
Needs a new choke. You know what I'm saying?
Man, I recorded about 15 minutes worth of footage the other day trying out a new mic, and I fucking didn't even have it plugged up and cut on. I didn't even have it like the mic wasn't even activated or whatever.
That's why when people like me charge you,
Man.
charge you for the knowledge.
Man, you think I go with that expert shit? Man, they wanna know what's wrong with the bike, man.
Yeah, but that's good because we never put that. We put that. That new choke on.
just a choke, man.
Yeah, plus all the other shit I'm trying to do.
Intake. Fucking force. V force. The reeds.
Yeah, the reeds.
What is it? The reed.
Well, you got more power. You got more power. A little bit more with the jetting. I forgot what's on here. It's gonna give. It's gonna need colder, so it's gonna be a little hard to start. But right now, we should be good. Fixing the choke.
It shouldn't give you no problem.
I just want to be able to ride it when I want to ride it. And it's like Mondays, I don't care. I might come over here with the ice on the ground. If I want to ride it, I want to ride it. Like I ride myself around. Anything in my feet. So I know when I had jet skis after winter ride. I had two-stroke jet skis.
Well, these like you can't leave the cars. That's what I'm telling you. Whenever like we done right now, we shut it off. Yeah. Try to make sure shut it off and then we turn it back on and let it shut and let it run out of fuel. That's another problem.
So right there, shut it off.
I can't hear shit. Ghost mode, I cannot appear, bitch. Check my horoscope, bitch, I'm on some twin shit.